Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a first-time milk pump guide for new moms and explain how to make your first pumping experience simple and comfortable. If you are using a pump for the very first time, it is completely normal to feel a little nervous. Every mother learns at her own pace, and pumping becomes easier with practice. Before you begin, wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean, dry, and assembled correctly. A clean setup is an important part of a safe pumping routine. Next, choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit and relax. Many mothers find that a peaceful environment helps make the session more comfortable. Before turning on the pump, prepare everything you need, including a clean storage container and a bottle of water nearby. Being organized can help you stay relaxed. When you start pumping, begin with the lowest comfortable setting. There is no need to use strong suction immediately. A gentle and steady start is often the best approach for new mothers. If milk does not begin flowing right away, don't worry. It is completely normal for your body to take a few minutes to respond, especially during your first few sessions. During pumping, try to stay relaxed and avoid watching the collection container constantly. Many mothers find that focusing on comfort instead of the amount collected helps reduce stress. After the session is finished, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and label it if needed. Finally, wash all pump parts thoroughly and allow them to air dry before storing them for the next use. Remember, every mother's pumping journey is different. The goal is not to be perfect on your first day, but to build a routine that feels comfortable and works for your lifestyle. With patience, consistency, and a little practice, using a milk pump will soon become a simple and confident part of your daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.